Getting low storage warnings or apps failing to install on your Google TV. This often happens because downloaded apps or cached data have filled your internal memory. Here's how to check exactly how much storage space you have left. First up, go to your Google TV home menu, navigate to the settings gear icon using your remote. Go to Device Preferences or System depending on your OS version. After that, select Storage or Storage and Reset, depending on your Google TV version. Now open Internal Shared Storage. Here you will see a full storage breakdown, a total space used by apps, system and cached data, total available space, and the remaining free space. To free up space, you can go back a step and select Free Up Storage or Manage Storage. You can delete unused apps or clear cache directly from here. And that's how you can check Google TV's storage space and see what's taking up room. If this helped you out, then give the video a like and subscribe for more quick Google TV tips and tricks.